kurwase county ya Kisii obwagachi bw'echinyomba cy'oburaro inse y'omurobuli bw'echinyomba cy'erigori lyense nigo kiratigo chaka kwagachi amatuko abwango iga aya maiga y'omubunge onyaribari chache zairi Jhanda gokoreta rogochia ase Polytechnic Kisii National Polytechnic nabo igo nababisa kurwa ase serikali nene abo bacha korotota orogongorwe asogo chaka kwagachi bw'echinyomba ekyo bono aborokiwa chimi isano na isato barachigo konyeka gwetera subwagachi obu ayu maiga yomurai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kolia ira yaye weekend yeiga yaye tachinga kiarenge asamasabo imse ye kanisa ya Gospel Embassy me county ya Kisii bunatokomanywa no muri kito Daniel Ontiri
nama tukaberuka aetire kuromurai bwense hararia ogochakigwa gwechinyomba cy'uburaro ese omurobelio bw'echinyomba cy'erigori lyense chingaki cy'omuyaga w'ekanisa ime ya Kisii weekend yaeta
pale Kisii National Polytechnic tunajenga hostels ya watoto 1200.
Omurobelio nigororekanire gochaka kobeka matunda aserero inse y'oburai bw'omubungo nyeribari chache mosikeza eri Jhanda abo bisa kurwa serikali bayikire nase skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic ase barata asubwagachi bwo borachi gochaka nagokoreka asa matuka make ari bosyo getambokero Jhanda amentabuna ikigange chikokonya nonye nabasae konyura mabaga yechigasi.
Here we are today looking at least around 800 for the first phase. I can assure you we will have more and more. So to the President and the Government of the Republic of Kenya, ours is to say thank you. The contractor is on site. We want to ask the contractor to please give an opportunity to the people of Nyaribari Chache to get jobs during this period.
Obotaniri weskuruiga nikuboigo wagokere getambokereke borokyo mogoko bogochia serikali ya bono.
We want to say thank you very much, Mheshimiwa, our area member of parliament, for standing with Kisii National Polytechnic and having visited us here last week. And we requested him to prevail upon the president so that we can have the hostel, so that we can improve the security of our students. And today, less than 1 week, we are standing here handing over the site for the construction of 800 hostel capacity for students. Thank you, Mheshimiwa. Thank you, the Ministry of Housing and Planning. And thank you, His Excellency, the President, for giving us, the students of Kisii National Polytechnic, an opportunity to have decent hostel.
Ubwagachi bwega sense mentangani nikuborachi gokorwa inse y'umwaka yomo nenuso asaborokigwa gwetane chimisa na isato barachi konyora chinyombe chiga chinya korenganigwa nabono asaborokigwa chimenye boka bwate ase bakorara imeye skuru.
Mine is to appreciate to the government for giving us these hostels to our institution. For us, we are happy for the Mheshimiwa Sair Jhanda. As you are going to sit with the Mheshimiwa William Samuel Ruto, tell him we are together and we are going to work with him. As the Kisiis, we love him too much and we want to assure him that it is too time.
Nkurubuterega tasene kia Getembe, kurega se county ya Kisii, litere nenguruko Daniel Ontiri.